This video is to show you the items under File so you can earn your orange belt. So we are still using the Ninja slideshow that we created in your white belt above. Step 1 asks you to open the file on the toolbar and just explore. So you're just going to look and learn about the different options there. So if I were to go to Slides and File, look at all of these different options of things that I can do. So you're just going to look and explore. Go ahead and pause this video now and explore. Step 2 in the orange belt is about version history. And this is so cool, you guys. If you click here, there's a little link to tell you a little bit about version history, but I am going to show you the main parts. And this actually works in all Google Docs, not just Slides. So Docs, Sheets, so File, Version History, and I can name this specific version, or I can go to see Version History. When I go to Version History, this is so neat. Over here on the side, it shows you all the times that you've worked. You can actually rename different drafts. So in our instructions, it asks us to rename one of your versions to be titled Draft. So I'm going to go ahead and just rename this top one as Draft. And another really cool thing, so now, just like in English, maybe you have first draft, second draft, third draft. This is a way to keep track of those. The other thing you can do is these 3 dots, you can actually make some changes. So maybe you've been working on something, but you want to go back to an earlier version. You can just make a copy of that. And that was with these 3 dots. To edit, you have to go back. So one more time, that was File, Version History. Go ahead and pause this video and rename one of your versions. Step 3 is just some time for you to play. So one of the really cool things that's in File is this page setup. When I click on page setup, it defaults to widescreen at this size. If you if you press this drop-down menu, you can actually change the size of your slides. I love to actually do this custom, and you can change this to be 8 by whatever. You can also change it to be centimeters, points, and pixels. So take some time to play with File Page Setup. The last step in the orange belt is to add a slide and just describe your thoughts to these questions. So rather than write out these questions, I'm just going to copy those. I'm going to go to my slides. I'm going to add a slide, and I'm going to paste these questions. And now I'm going to answer these questions with my own thoughts. Just like with the other belts, I'm not going to list the answers because I want to know your thoughts. Good job earning your orange belt.